The JBL Flip 7, Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 4, Bose SoundLink Flex, 2nd Gen, Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 4, and Brane X are the most popular Bluetooth speakers for cars of 2025, but which is the absolute best? We're going to compare them to each other and score them in various categories, with some categories holding more weight than others. In the end, we'll decide which is the best one based on the final score, and we will declare the absolute winner. Let's dive in. First, we are going to compare them on the sound quality category, which has a multiplier of 2. Starting with the JBL Flip 7, this speaker really stands out with its AI sound boost technology, delivering a richer, more detailed sound than its predecessor, the Flip 6. However, at higher volumes, you might notice a slight loss in clarity. I give it a solid 8 out of 10 for its impressive sound quality and value for money. Moving on to the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 4, it's a compact powerhouse with surprisingly punchy bass for its size. But when you crank up the volume, there's a noticeable loss of detail. It earns a 7 out of 10 for its sound quality, considering its budget-friendly price. Now, let's talk about the Bose SoundLink Flex, 2nd Gen. This speaker offers impressive bass for its size, making it sound larger than life. However, it lacks some of the extra features like external device charging, which might be a downside for some. I rate it 8.5 out of 10 for its sound quality, balancing its performance with its price. Next up, the Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 4. This speaker delivers powerful volume and clarity in all directions, thanks to its 360-degree design. However, it doesn't get as loud as some might expect, and the bass can compress at high volumes. It scores a 9 out of 10 for its sound quality, offering excellent value for its features. Finally, we have the Brane X. This speaker is a revelation with its proprietary Repel Attract driver technology, providing bass extension that's unmatched in its class. The only downside is its upper registers can sound compressed at max volume when using Bluetooth. It's a clear winner with 9.5 out of 10 for its sound quality, considering its unique technology and performance. The Brane X takes the crown in the sound quality category with a score of 9.5, thanks to its groundbreaking bass technology that truly sets it apart from the competition. Next, we are going to compare them on the connectivity and range category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The JBL Flip 7 is a versatile speaker with Bluetooth 5.4, offering a significant upgrade from its predecessor. It also supports lossless audio over USB-C, which is a nice touch for wired connections. However, its Bluetooth range isn't explicitly stated, which might be a concern for some users. I give it a 7 out of 10 for its modern connectivity options, but lack of range information. Moving on to the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 4, it connects via Bluetooth 5.2 with a stated range of 131 feet. While it's not the latest Bluetooth version, the range is impressive for its size. However, it only supports the SBC codec, which might not satisfy audiophiles looking for higher bitrate options. I rate it as 6 out of 10 for its good range, but outdated codec support. Now, let's talk about the Bose SoundLink Flex, 2nd Gen. It features Bluetooth 5.3, which is a step up from its original version, and supports multi-point connection. Android users can enjoy higher quality sound with Snapdragon sound. However, its maximum wireless range is only 30 feet, which is quite limited compared to others. I give it a 7.5 out of 10 for its advanced connectivity features, but short range. The Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 4 boasts a Bluetooth range of up to 147 feet, making it the leader in this category. It also supports connecting up to 8 wireless devices at once, which is fantastic for parties or gatherings. However, it lacks multi-device pairing, which could be a downside for some. I rate it an 8 out of 10 for its exceptional range and connectivity options. Finally, we have the Brane X. It supports Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Bluetooth 5.1, offering a wide array of streaming options. Its Bluetooth range isn't specified, but its Wi-Fi capability ensures a robust connection. The downside is its higher price point, which might not justify the connectivity features for everyone. I give it a 9 out of 10 for its comprehensive connectivity suite. The Brane X takes the crown in the connectivity and range category with its versatile streaming options and robust Wi-Fi connectivity, earning it a solid 9 out of 10. Next, we are going to compare them on the durability and mounting options category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The JBL Flip 7 is a rugged beast. With an IP68 rating, that means it can handle being submerged in water up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes. It's also drop-proof from heights of up to 1 meter, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. However, its cylindrical shape might not be the easiest to mount securely in a car. I give it a solid 7 out of 10 for its durability, but slightly less for mounting options. Moving on to the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 4. This little speaker is also IP67 rated, meaning it's dust and waterproof, and it can even float, which is great for poolside use. Its compact size and 360-degree sound make it versatile. But like the Flip 7, its shape isn't ideal for car mounting. It scores a 6 out of 10 for its durability, but loses points for mounting. Now let's talk about the Bose SoundLink Flex, 2nd Gen. This speaker boasts an IP67 rating, making it dust and water resistant, and Bose claims it's drop-proof and rust-proof. It has a rugged silicone body with a metal grille, but its design doesn't lend itself well to car mounting. I'd rate it 7.5 out of 10 for its impressive build quality and durability, though it's not the best for car use. the Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM. 4 steps up the game with its IP67 rating, ensuring it's fully waterproof and dustproof. Its larger size compared to the Wonderboom 4 means it's not as portable. But it does come with a carrying strap, which could be useful for hanging in a car. However, its bulk might make it less practical for mounting. It earns an 8 out of 10 for its robust build and the added utility of the strap. Finally, we have the Brane X. This speaker is IP57 rated, offering protection against dust and water, and its design includes a silicone carry strap for easy portability. While it's not specifically designed for car mounting, its compact size and the strap make it adaptable for various uses, including in a car. It gets a 9 out of 10 for its excellent durability and the versatility of its design. The Brane X takes the lead in this category with its impressive 9 points, thanks to its robust build and the practical carrying strap, making it the most adaptable for car use among these speakers. Next, we are going to compare them on the hands-free calling and voice control category, which has a multiplier of 2. The JBL Flip 7 is a speaker that doesn't support hands-free calling or voice control. It lacks a built-in microphone, making it incompatible with voice-activated assistants like Alexa. This is a significant drawback if you're looking for a speaker to use while driving. Rating: 0 out of 10. Moving on to the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 4, this speaker also falls short in the hands-free calling department. It doesn't feature a microphone for taking phone calls, which means you'll have to answer your phone the old-fashioned way. Rating: 0 out of 10. Now, let's talk about the Bose SoundLink Flex, 2nd Gen. This speaker doesn't have built-in voice assistance, but it does an excellent job of supporting your smartphone's voice assistant. It can hear your commands clearly, even from a distance or in a noisy environment. However, it lacks the ability to function as a speakerphone. Rating: 6 out of 10. The Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 4 lacks a microphone, so you can't use it for hands-free calling or voice control. This is a letdown if you're looking for a speaker that can double as a speakerphone. Rating: 0 out of 10. Finally, we have the Brane X. This speaker stands out with its built-in Amazon Alexa capabilities when connected via Wi-Fi. It excels at picking up voice commands, even if you're far away or in a noisy environment. However, it doesn't support hands-free calling, which is a minor drawback. Rating: 8 out of 10. The Brane X takes the win in this category with a score of 8 out of 10, thanks to its excellent voice assistant performance, making it the best choice for those who value voice control in their car. Finally, we are going to compare them on the compatibility and installation ease category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The JBL Flip 7 is a breeze to set up with its Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. However, its lack of backwards compatibility with older JBL speakers might be a downside for some users. I give it a 7 out of 10 for its straightforward setup but limited compatibility. Moving on to the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 4, this speaker is incredibly user-friendly with its simple Bluetooth pairing process. Its compatibility with smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth advanced devices is impressive, but it lacks an app for further control, which might be a miss for tech-savvy users. I rate it 8 out of 10 for its ease of use and broad compatibility. Now, let's talk about the Bose SoundLink Flex, 2nd Gen. This speaker offers a seamless setup with Bluetooth 5.3 and voice-guided pairing, making it one of the easiest to connect. However, its lack of USB connectivity might be a slight inconvenience for some. I give it a 9 out of 10 for its intuitive setup and wide device compatibility. Finally, we have the Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 4. It's compatible with all Boom, MEGABOOM, EverBoom, Epic Boom, and HyperBoom speakers, offering a versatile ecosystem. The setup is straightforward, but the lack of multi-device pairing could be a drawback. I rate it 8.5 out of 10 for its compatibility and ease of installation. The Brane X stands out with its Wi-Fi compatibility and Alexa integration, making it a smart choice for those looking for smart features. However, its setup might be slightly more complex due to the need for the Brane app for Wi-Fi connection. I give it a 9.5 out of 10 for its smart features and ease of setup once you get past the initial app installation. The Brane X takes the win in this category with a score of 9.5, thanks to its smart features and seamless integration with smart home systems. The results of our comparison show each product shines in its own way, but the Brane X stands out with its score of 76.25. From my own experience, this speaker is an impressive amalgamation of groundbreaking sound technology and smart connectivity. Its Repel-A-Track driver technology offers unparalleled bass that sets a new benchmark, while its comprehensive streaming options and robust build make it the most versatile choice. With built-in Amazon Alexa capabilities, it adds an extra layer of convenience, making it a true leader in the current market. It not only delivers in terms of performance, but also integrates into your lifestyle seamlessly. On the other hand, the other products deserve acknowledgement for their unique strengths. The Bose SoundLink Flex 2nd Gen holds a solid 2nd place with a score of 65, offering impressive sound quality paired with robust and user-friendly connectivity. The Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 4 follows with a score of 54.75, providing powerful sound and excellent build quality. Meanwhile, the JBL Flip 7 is reliable with a balanced performance throughout, and the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 4 delivers respectable capabilities. Although it focuses on more basic features, each one has its own unique appeal, catering to a variety of needs and preferences. Ultimately, your choice should depend on what aspects matter most for your specific use.